To make a variable harmonica, you'll need just a few items. You'll need a thin strip of paper. This paper is about 1 inch wide and about 8.5 inches long. You'll also need a few rubber bands and 2 popsicle sticks. These are the fat tongue depressor kind. And you'll also need a little bit of tape. Okay, let's get started. The first step is to take your strip of paper and rip it in half. So now you have 2 pieces. Go ahead and take your popsicle sticks and stack one on top of the other. And you're going to wrap loosely, not very tightly, the piece of paper around both popsicle sticks and secure the paper to itself with a piece of tape. Now you want to make sure that you can slide this off. We're going to call this our cuff. Okay, so I've made 1 cuff, and I'm going to make 1 more out of the second piece of paper. I'm just going to loosely wrap it around and around and around my 2 popsicle sticks. Use a little bit of tape to make sure that the paper stays together. And I'm going to slide my cuff off. Make sure you don't tape the cuff to the wood. Okay? Once you have your 2 cuffs, go ahead and set them aside. The next step is to take a fat rubber band and put it on the popsicle stick the hard way. Okay, so I've got my rubber band along the length of the popsicle stick. The next step is to slide a cuff onto each end. Make sure you leave a little room here. We're going to need that in just a minute. Go ahead and take your second popsicle stick and lay it right on top, and we're almost done. The last step is to take 1 more rubber band, 1 on each side, and wrap it around and around and around just to secure the end, just like that, to make sure the ends stay in place. I'm going to do that 1 on each side, just like so. Now in order to play the harmonica, put this right up to your lips and you're going to blow. Now this side of the harmonica, either side, whichever one you pick, actually has to touch your lips. So you're going to stick it in there and just blow and see what kind of sound you can make. Now to make the sound variable, you can actually slide the cuffs closer together or further apart. If you're finding that they're a little tough to slide, usually that means that this rubber band or this one has been attached too tightly, and so you want to loosen those up a little bit. Go ahead and make a harmonica sound right now.